we want Chelsea to win just because City is outside. I want City to play Europa. Why is no one focusing on that?
But I think Pura Chelsea has been shit for after
Hmm.
December. Before that,
They
they
were,
were flying.
bro.
I hate Chelsea. I think Chelsea is inconsequential to a football as a football playing team. Chelsea is inconsequential as a city in UK. I think Chelsea should not exist. And we are recording. Hello, hello, welcome boys to another episode.
Namaste,
Football
namaste.
What's up,
Monday.
guys?
We have a full
Welcome
house.
everyone.
We have Suri. Suri, hi kar de.
एकदम रंजीत
Hello.
जैसे बात कर रहा
We
है.
have Ma. Hey, Papa, Daddy,
देखना.
Papa Ranjit, beauty है वो.
रंजीत तो वहां पर है, मारियो है वहां पर।
Mario,
Hey,
Mario,
मारियो, रंजीत, गैंडाल्फ सब है।
Gandalf. Mario is Gandalf the Brown. अभी उसका एक्सेस
The
Gandalf the
Brown, what the
Brown.
fuck?
जब वो यूएस जा नहीं जब वो यूएस में था ही was Gandalf the
अरे
White.
मार.
अभी इंडिया आ गया तो Gandalf the Brown.
Focus on the game.
And we also have Dwayne. रुक जा, पहले
Intro
intro
चाहिए.
We also have Dwayne Lobo
Basically.
from the Down
Down
Under.
under.
Mate.
उल्टा. कैमरा उल्टा कर देता हूँ. And we got Suri.
जिस हिसाब से हमारी टीम चल रही है हम
वो
अंडर ही
भी
ठीक
सही
है.
है.
Let's just be down under. And then you obviously have me. All right, this podcast we talk about the two games. We are going to preview it. We begin with one
Big
of
game.
I think the big game this week: Chelsea versus Arsenal, the battle of second versus the battle of four. It's dead body versus two squad. Suri, we'll start with you, sir.
Yeah, so this game, Arsenal Chelsea, the reverse fixture, we were confident. Arsenal were confident that we will win against Chelsea. It was a draw at Stamford Bridge, and this game also looks like we are confident that we will win against Chelsea. Like we should be defeating them. Looking at
Their
their
form.
team, they have a team which is good on paper. Chelsea team. If you look at Chelsea team, it's full of again good players,
But they need two papers.
but they haven't clicked. Yeah, they
I
have
don't
two
think so. They're
scores,
good
They
on.
have two. They need
I
two
but
don't think they're
papers.
good on paper.
they are good on paper. They have Kukurea, they have Caicedo, Neto, Enzo, they have Sancho,
Freedom fighter.
uh,
very big player, very big player.
the freedom fighter. And good players who can produce moments where they can score goals. But yes, it's just that there is a lot of things at stake in this game. Second position, three, I think
Do
four
you
teams who are
wait? How
trying
much
to
is
get
the
into the
difference
second
between second
position.
and third? I didn't. We stopped checking the table, so
Second and third, it is Nottingham Forest on third, 4 points difference. Chelsea 6 points, and City I think
wait. So
7 points
Forest is
difference.
only 4 points
So
behind
this,
Arsenal. The fuck?
yep.
Yes.
And Forest are away to Ipswich Town today.
That's good.
So
They are
if
winning.
Nottingham
I
Forest wins
uh,
against Ipswich, then next game, game is going to be super
but I
interesting
want. This is a
for the
London derby,
Premier
ना? मेरे
League.
को तो चाहिए Chelsea जीते.
This is the actual London
हाँ.
derby. If you look at it, not Tottenham, no West Ham, Arsenal versus Chelsea, two biggest club in London, going head to head against each other.
Chelsea.
The last time when they were at Emirates, just 1 minute. So we defeated them final, and I hope we repeat it this time, even though we are without a striker, but it will not be that easy. So
You
You're not
I
without a strike.
you have three strikers: Calafiori, Merino, Trossard.
Calafiori,
Let's not get
he
into that
and Trossard.
discussion.
Raheem
चार
Sterling.
पॉडकास्ट उसी पे
You have
बात
Raheem
कर रहे
Sterling.
हैं.
Raheem Sterling will not be playing
क्यों?
in this game.
Oh,
Oh yeah,
He's
he's
parent
he's
company,
oh
not
yeah.
eligible.
parent club, parent
Yeah,
club.
yeah, he's not eligible.
So is that
So
a good thing
yeah,
or a bad thing?
Bad thing. He played well.
I mean, it does not matter. It does not matter because Raheem Sterling, anyways, when we need goals, even and in those scenarios, Raheem Sterling does
He's
not,
of no use.
Arteta does not trust him. So yeah, it's going to be a very, very big game for Arsenal for the second position. And for Premier League fans, if you want this Premier League to be a little bit interesting, now that the league is decided, the relegation teams are decided. If Chelsea wins
Uh,
tomorrow, it will be good for Premier League. Finally, there will be some interest in this Premier
Nah,
League.
like
And there is some competition left in this league. Or else it will be just Arsenal versus Nottingham Forest for the
people are
second place.
forgetting the main point. We want Chelsea to win just because City is outside. I want City to play Europa. Why is no one focusing on that? आर्सेनल मैं सीरियसली बोल रहा हूँ आर्सेनल यहाँ से जीते हारे क्या फर्क पड़ रहा है आर्सेनल लेट आर्सेनल फोकस
Hey,
चैंपियंस लीग
Arsenal
सेकंड आए थर्ड आए क्या फर्क पड़ने वाला है
अगर आर्सेनल अगर आर्सेनल चैंपियंस लीग जीत गया तो मैन सिटी विल बी इन द चैंपियंस लीग
हाँ
हाँ, क्योंकि इस बार हम लोग का
कट
कुछ
दिस
ये स्टेटमेंट
कट
बोलने के
दिस
बाद तू खुद ही हंस रहा है सो लेट्स नॉट गेट इनटू दैट लेकिन मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि अगर चेल्सी जीता तो
कट
दैट
किया जाए
दैट
इसको
रन विल बी देयर कि लाइक सिटी इज जस्ट ऑन फिफ्थ
हो
राइट
जाएगा ही
yeah. But
And
then
hi,
you
yes
hi,
guys,
hi, highlight still has to be if Arsenal win the
Arsenal wins
Champions
वो
Champions
खुद ही
League.
हंस रहा है मैं क्या बोलूं इसके
City will qualify.
No, but guys, you need to understand one big thing. For us, for Manchester City to be out, I think they'll keep dropping points. So we don't have to
hopefully
worry about that. They will. They're not high on confidence. They don't. The players are not clicking, and more importantly, the Baldy has
no
lost his shit for this season.
but imagine Pep in Europa forget Europa imagine if जो तू बोल रहा है if they're still dropping imagine Pep in Conference League
I would.
I don't think Pep is going to stay.
next season
Yeah, he's going. Yeah.
Yeah.
If they go to Conference League, Pep is
क्या
leaving.
रखते रहे didn't he sign a new contract
No, he did, but he will go
they
down the
signed a new
step.
contract
वो
I
खुद
think he will
तो
stay
नहीं
he will stay
200
if it is in
250
if
का
it
तो
is Europa
player
he
है
will
अभी
a
right
conference he will stay
Conference, guys, not Europa.
Hmm.
If his team goes to Conference
Fuck, I
League, I am
just
sure that
I
he'll
just
be like, मैं
hope
जा रहा है.
Arsenal
He'll
I
take.
don't think
He'll
he's
take.
ever played. I don't think he's ever played
सूरी आ
Conference.
गया
I doubt he's played Europa also.
Suri we lost.
क्या हो
sorry
गया चैंपियंस लीग जीत गया क्या
sorry
हाँ
call आ गया था
व्हाट यू सेइंग मारियो सॉरी
हाँ,
नहीं कॉल आ गया था कॉल आ गया था तो ये हो गया कट हो गया हाँ
but
I
coming back to the game, guys, Pep Guardiola की माँ की चुप. I don't care about Pep Guardiola. उसके शेक का पैसा है. Coming back to the game. So yeah, Chelsea Arsenal. You want you as an Arsenal fan want Chelsea to win so that थोड़ा Premier League में मजा
ना
आए.
ना ना नहीं
This is
नहीं
Pep.
नहीं अगर प्रीमियर लीग में मजा चाहिए
उसी के
तो
लिए
चेल्सी को जीतना चाहिए
हाँ,
और
but
else नो नो व्हाई वुड आई टेक
हमको तो मजा चाहिए हम तो 15th की 14th पे
हमको हमको क्या है
हमको क्या हमको तो अच्छा.
बट चेल्सी लाइक पामर इज आउट ऑफ फॉर्म राइट सिंस लास्ट 4-5 गेम्स
Palmer is out.
और
of form.
वही उनका
द पामर इज
Main-
आउट ऑफ फॉर्म सिंस ये पूरे लीग सीजन में पामर हैज
नहीं,
नॉट
नहीं,
बीन
नहीं,
परफॉर्मिंग
ना, ना.
बीच में
Half-
आई थिंक December Jan he started doing good but then again he has
no, no, he was
started
performing December Jan के बाद I think he
नहीं.
dropped and he's been having bad games
Jan के बाद नहीं. I think
December के बाद yeah since then he's been shit for a while
But I think पूरा Chelsea has been shit for after December. Before that, they
They
were
were-
flying.
bro.
In fact, I know वो लोग एक time पे they were leading the
हाँ
league table.
और उसका और
Chelsea.
फिर then
At least
when they
दो तीन
lost
week के
not leading second में थे and
No,
then
no.
they went on a winless
Chelsea,
run
Chelsea for 2 weeks was actually top of the table.
ना
Yes.
Chelsea was never top of the table
Yes, check.
they won the first two games some 5-0 or 5-3.
उनका मैनेजर तो सामने से
Enzo
बोलता है हमारा
Maresca.
टारगेट नहीं है जीतने का
At one time,
Since-
Nathan Jackson was.
he was scoring he's playing
Nathan
very
Jackson
well.
was playing very well हाँ.
then he got injured लग गए
I mean Nathan Jackson is he the striker
No,
now
he's
for
injured.
Chelsea?
He's
I
out
don't think
injured.
so right he's not
He is.
Not enjoyed.
yeah, who is playing on the striking role for Chelsea like Chelsea hardly anyone of us follows
Yeah, it's.
yeah, I mean,
I am actually
Pedro
having-
Neto
Pedro Neto, I think. I'm having a hard time talking about this game because one, Chelsea is a shit team. Chelsea club ही नहीं होना चाहिए मेरे हिसाब से. And Arsenal, yes, I agree because we have series, so we follow Arsenal, but I don't watch Chelsea. No disrespect to
Shakal
Arsenal. मैं वो नहीं कह रहा, but Chelsea.
No one
यार,
was
it's
bullied.
a चुतिया club. Sorry. Chelsea it's a horrible club. The only reason that I probably follow Chelsea news is because right now there is a
Freedom
news
fighter.
from Fab. No, that freedom fighter there's a news
David
from Fab
Ornstein
कि चेल्सी नहीं तो उस फैब ने रिपोस्ट किया डेविड ऑर्नस्टीन का पोस्ट
there's a chance
कि चेल्सी इज नो चांस नहीं चेल्सी इज इवैल्यूएटिंग हाउ मच फी टू पे यूनाइटेड एज fine to give back Sancho.
So
No
so
obligation to
that's
buy. We don't
that's the
want.
thing, right? कि वो बोल रहे कि there'll be a hefty fees which might be like 6 to 7 million, but then they're like हमको 25 million भरने से अच्छा वो 7-8 million दे के निकल जाए कॉन्ट्रैक्ट तोड़
हाँ,
दे.
they don't want
सी
freedom
मेरे को
fighter.
इसके
They're
लिए
like,
चाहिए था जब
हमको आजादी
जब
मिल गई
चढ़ा
है.
रहे थे ना इसको वो एक असिस्ट के बाद आई वाज लविंग दैट. ट्रोल करो यूनाइटेड को, चढ़ाओ उसको, क्योंकि मुझे पता है हमने बोला भी था पॉडकास्ट में कि 2 गेम के बाद वो चला जाएगा, वो नहीं खेलेगा और इनको पता चल जाएगा कितना छूतिया प्लेयर है ये. हो गया.
But Suri, knowing, keeping in mind that still Premier League is in mathematically, it's still in the reach.
Mathematically.
Yeah, mathematically, and every game that Arsenal plays has to play in that sense. How do you think Arteta will prepare the team right now?
I think as far as league is concerned, since there is the pressure of league is not on our shoulders anymore, I think we would see a better Arsenal side. We always do well when the pressure is off,
Actually,
winning
yeah,
the league.
that's true.
Especially at this stage, when the pressure mounts, pressure becomes intense, as to we have to keep winning. That's the time when we start to drop points. Till the time we are completely, totally out of the league, and then we again start winning.
Do you think he should try someone apart from Merino in the striker?
I hope he tries someone apart from Merino. I have been saying this for the last 3-4 games, and Martinelli is fit back into the
Squad.
squad. If he is medically fit, if he is ready to take that intense role, then he can be put in that striker position. I think Martinelli is the most suitable person in the team, according to what we have now, to play as a striker. If Martinelli is not playing, then no Merino experiment anymore, man. No Merino experiment. Put Calafiori there.
I love you. किसी को भी उठा के ला.
If Suri was a board member at Arsenal, right, Calafiori would be the happiest person on the planet.
जागे मार.
I think Suri is Arsenal का वो वाला कोच अगर बनेगा तो सड़क से बना के स्टार बना दूंगा, सड़क से उठा के स्टार.
Oh, I forget.
अरे भाई.
क्या करेगा मरीनो नहीं है, स्टर्लिंग नहीं है, अच्छा ट्रॉसर अच्छा ऑप्शन नहीं है.
Like Arteta goes into the dressing room. इधर देखो Calafiori. You are my next striker.
मैंने
हाँ बोल.
I asked Duane and Mario also to go and warm up outside the Emirates. They are not ready to do that.
बाबू भैया पैसे महंगा टिकट है. ये और अगर इनको वार्म अप के बाद नहीं लिया, इनका वार्म अप बहुत महंगा पड़ जाएगा. तो समझ
I still think he's gonna play Merino, जो भी हो, बेंच Merino उसी को खिलाएगा. जो भी है वही खेलने वाला है. We all know it.
No, but I agree with Suri. Merino has played 5 games as a centre forward, and he's
6 games.
He's not been that good apart from a game against Leicester. Got 2 in.
उसके बाद एक और मारा.
एक और against with Eindhoven के साथ आई.
PSV के साथ एक मारा. That's it.
But he's not been that good. What's the harm in putting Calafiori up front and trying?
I
and
think
as for
Martinelli.
Suri for the last
I think there's a
15
lot of
minutes,
chance of Martinelli playing up front. क्योंकि उसने खेला है.
Yeah. Again, yeah. He should, right? Martinelli should.
He should.
But as Suri said, Arsenal performs when there is no pressure on them.
That's true.
Right. Part of it because mental characteristics. They didn't have any pressure against PSV because nobody expects them to win Champions League.
And
they
that
played
can
very
help.
easy, right? That can help. Right? Now the fact that, and Suri is very right, the heat is not on them. Technically the pressure is on Liverpool now to lose the league after they've lost the dream of quadruple.
See, they're not.
And PSG bullying them at Anfield. No, let me complete. That's what I'm saying, that you never know that Arsenal might just play a statement game against Chelsea.
But I'm saying Liverpool को लाने की जरूरत नहीं है. Title is done
I
and
would love
dusted. Even though Rice is saying it's on. It's gonna be a good game. I think ideally like Arsenal will trash Chelsea considering their form. Palmer is not playing. Freedom fighter पता नहीं खेलेगा कि नहीं. But I don't see Chelsea standing up to this Arsenal side. But obviously, I still want Chelsea to win just so that City doesn't come in that bracket. That's all. Because City is playing Brighton, I think so, if I'm not wrong.
Oh, City is playing Brighton. Brighton
Away?
away. Oh,
Oh,
Brighton at
that
home.
नहीं नहीं
No, no,
home है
no.
home है.
Home. Brighton
Brighton
home.
home है.
that's still going to be a good game. That's
I think Brighton is going to take it to City. But Mario, before we move to City and Brighton conversation, what are your views on this game, Chelsea Arsenal? How do you think it's going to go?
like we covered, right? This is time for Arsenal to look at the Real Madrid game, and they should look at a striker. Martinelli is a good choice, so yeah, put him in there. But whatever they do, these are prep games for them to get to Real Madrid. They need to try different combinations. If they have to shake up the midfield, I don't think they need that. But whatever they need that helps them set up against Real Madrid, this is the game to do it. 3 points to Chelsea doesn't impact them. Uh, I don't think Chelsea is going to actually challenge them for the second place. If anyone is, it's going to be Nottingham Forest.
Actually, Forest.
Good. Suri, any academy players you think will start for Arsenal with Chelsea, knowing that you guys have to just looking at the
I think,
options and not the
yeah, I think other than Vaneri and Miles Kelly, again, it will be a good option. We are talking about Martinelli. We have a striker from the academy, Butler OAG. I don't exactly remember his name, something like that. But we do have one striker. Uh, I don't think he will give him a chance, but it will be a
That's
good
good.
game for
कितना चाहिए?
10 minutes, 15 minutes,
Lobo.
10
बताइए.
minutes, 15 minutes. He can come in for like,
कितना
if we
चाहिए
are
इसका?
winning, like he can come in and play for 10, 15. He's 22
That's
years
fine.
old and not yet broken into the squad.
That is fine.
So I think he's not going to be the
That
best
is fine.
player.
No, but we are
Arteta is not going to trust him, I
we
think.
are so happy with your academy. That's what Lobo is coming to, and I'm like, Lobo, let him complete. कितना चाहिए? Rapper है क्या बीच में आ जाता है अपना beats लेके?
Very bad negotiation skill.
How
चल
much?
रहा कितना how much?
अरे
खुद दे रहे
वो
थे
बोल
सब
रहा है,
पैसा.
उसको भी पता है कि
लेकिन
नहीं खेलने वाला वो. आर्टेटा नहीं खिलाएगा.
नहीं, but ओबी और हेवन
It is
ओबी और
a it
हेवन
is
के
a good
बाद
game. It is a, देना चाहिए chance. Irrespective of the situation, like 10-15 minutes दे सकते हैं.
that's what
What
I
if
wanted to ask. Yeah.
that is something which he can offer us in the next game? So,
And
but
then
I
we
don't
can
think he
offer
will
him.
give because Arsenal PSV के against नहीं दिया उसको opportunity.
अब क्या देंगे? हाँ.
That was
अभी
exactly
तो देंगे
second
नहीं.
game में तो आराम से दे सकता था. ये तो फिर भी क्योंकि see
So, but then you can offer
हाँ.
अच्छा
him to us. No, that's what I'm saying. If you just offer him to us, we need
see
strikers.
क्योंकि चेल्सी जो है ना कितने भी चूते फॉर्म में होने दो like whenever there's a big game they always turn up somehow and beat City as well
Hmm.
beat Liverpool as well
That's right.
ये इन लोग ने हमको ठोका हमेशा like यूनाइटेड को but Chelsea somehow against City even Liverpool turns up फालतू फॉर्म में भी
But
They turn up. They have good players in this
चेल्सी ने
squad.
अपना चेल्सी ने हमको ठोका ना यूनाइटेड को.
क्या
Yes,
लेकिन
came from behind in the extra time.
ठोका नहीं
but how ठोका में तूने बोला ना, but United is not a big
नहीं
club.
नहीं नहीं I'm
So
saying
they
लिवरपूल
also
सिटी
turn up against smaller
सिटी
clubs.
लिवरपूल हमको मारता हमेशा हमारे फॉर्म पे जैसे they won big
हाँ.
but I'm saying whenever they play Chelsea even in bad form Chelsea always somehow
Chelsea does
turns
well.
up Chelsea even plays good at Anfield even in bad form
So does PSG. Suri, your prediction for Chelsea Arsenal.
I think this is going to be like 2-0 kind of a game. 1-0, 2-0 kind of a game.
To Arsenal.
So, to Arsenal. Yeah. No, I'm not expecting the same final which we won last season. We are not in that fluent form. But yeah, home game, Emirates. So we should be able to defeat them 2-0. And I think they are also without a striker. If you see Pedro Neto is more of a midfielder. So yeah, it's a
It's the battle
two
of
teams without a recognized striker.
it's a battle of two midfielding
Giants.
giants.
It's strange.
Lobo,
They have two squads but only one striker.
one striker. That's
I
all.
think it'll be either 1-1 or 2-2 draw
Yeah.
I'm going for a draw
You're going for a draw? That's nice. You want to keep the Premier League happy and alive.
hopefully
Dr. Heredia, based on all your knowledge and gyan in the world.
2-1 for Arsenal. I think Arsenal is surely going to give a goal away, but I think they'll win.
I don't see them scoring because we have good defense and
But you all have given a goal in almost every game for the last
Actually,
2
even
years.
against PSV.
पीएसवी के
दो
अगेंस्ट
का
दो
है।
खाए तुम लोग होम पे.
दोनों
PSV.
गेम में खाया पीएसवी के अगेंस्ट.
अरे
एक
हाँ
हमारे साथ
दोनों
गोल
गेम का
खाया.
ही।
Yeah, that's true.
Fuck, actually, when
That's
you
true.
oh fuck, that's actually a
But
good point. Now when you go and think,
that's a good point.
डॉक्टर मारियो स्ट्राइक्स
पूरा
अगेन.
उसका पूरा नजरिया ही बदल दिया. He went on to like
No,
वाकई
I
बदल
think
गया.
Fury,
4 games पीछे जाके एकदम नजरिया. Fuck, actually, good point, Mario.
Fury हम लोग
We still have
no, we
that
can
Mario
stop them from
Suri
scoring
going
because
on.
I
That's good.
think United के against I think it was more like this thing free kick. PSV के against it was that one goal was a penalty. Last game तो हम लोग we were not taking our game seriously, so we gave them goals.
हम तो पूरा
So
सीजन ही
yeah.
सीरियस नहीं ले रहे हैं आफ्टर अ मोरिम. हमने तो पूरा season-
तुम लोग नेक्स्ट सीजन के लिए प्रिपेयर कर रहे हो.
कल ना सुधी का एक मेरे को बहुत अच्छा पॉइंट लगा. बोलता है इतना बड़ा ऑफ सीजन किसी टीम का नहीं होता है. तुम लोग प्री सीजन इस जनवरी से चालू कर दिया यूनाइटेड ने.
प्री
जुलाई तक
सीजन के लिए प्लेयर तो
फिर
चाहिए. हम तो
एक्चुअल
वही
प्री
लौट
सीजन.
लेके चल रहे भाई.
अरे बच्चे लोग के साथ कर रहे हैं ना. चिडोबी
अरे ओ पूरा टैक्टिक्स तो सेट कर रहा है ना.
भाई चिडोबी हेवन दॉर्गू ये लोग प्री
वो
सीजन
तो
में
है,
चल रहे
point
होते.
है.
प्री सीजन में हो ब्रूनो के साथ.
तेरा क्या prediction है?
बट
Because we got a
my prediction, yeah, I think Arsenal is going to trash Chelsea, and I hate Chelsea. I think Chelsea is inconsequential to a football as a football playing team. Chelsea is inconsequential as a city in UK. I think Chelsea should not exist. अगर थानोस ने चुटकी मारा होता तो सिर्फ चेल्सी भी लेके गया होता तब भी चलता. Premier League can play with 19 teams. It's that
fair enough.
inconsequential. महाचूतिया क्लब है Chelsea.
अभी it,
I think I really hope Arsenal thrashes them 4-0, and I think they can.
see,
गुस्सा
I don't
निकाल
care,
के.
but like I said, I just don't want City, so that Chelsea is holding that position, so I'm happy.
City will see.
If
गीता में
City,
लिखा है तू कर्म कर बाकी सब अपने आप होगा.
And we haven't talked about a very important point. Chelsea are not a team anymore which will park the bus. They like to attack.
yeah,
And
Maresca
they
does.
play,
Maresca.
Yeah.
So yeah, so they are going to lose the ball. And like last 5-6 games, I think I just checked. We have given only one goal from open play against West Ham. Other than that, if you remove the PSV game where we were not playing our first team at all. So I think our defense is good enough to stop Chelsea, and attack is good enough to score against a team who is playing an expansive football like Chelsea.
hopefully.
Point taken.
Yeah,
So that's
should
what I'm
be
Nah,
good
2-0.
with.
I'm not saying a thrashing, but 2-0,
हो
something
गया.
like a 2-0.